Hi, my name's Eric. In today's video, I'm going to be checking out a Bluetooth/USB mixer from Pyle for only 55 bucks. Right now I'm connected over USB directly to a Windows 10 laptop using the 48 volts of phantom power for my MXL 991 that I modded with parts from microphoneparts.com. The main reason I wanted to check out this mixer is because the Bluetooth functionality piqued my curiosity, honestly. I didn't know that they made Bluetooth mixers in the $55 price bracket. Once you get into the box, you'll find a warranty card, which if you scan the QR code and register your warranty online, you get an extended year and a free microphone. And underneath that, you'll find the mixer itself. It's a fairly compact size, especially when you take into consideration the feature set. Some of the features of this mixer include
ultra-low noise design with high headroom, USB audio interface for computer playing and recording, built-in echo effect,
extremely musical 2-band EQ and pan on each channel, combo jack, XLR, and 6.35mm for mic/line input, independent 3.5mm stereo input jack, flexible connectivity for a variety of external devices, RCA jack for stereo input and output, RCA input jack, 3.5mm jack for microphone input,
and 48 volts phantom power. One last mic change, Shure MV7 connected directly to the Pyle mixer. On the top left of the unit, you'll find the XLR combo jack and the phantom power control switch. Below that, you'll find a gain dial, which I currently have maxed out in order to run the Shure MV7. Below that, you'll find the high and low EQ and pan fader. So if you raise up the high EQ, it'll make everything sound super bright. You can take that brightness down completely by lowering the fader. The middle EQ will make everything sound super bassy, or basically no bass at all. And then below that, you'll find the level control for channel 1. To the right of that, you will find a dial which controls the line, USB, and Bluetooth level. Two buttons above that control the from and to, so you can send a line into the main mix or the headphones, or the USB/Bluetooth to the main mix or the headphones. Taking a look at the stereo RCA inputs, we have a line in, a 2-track, and a main mix out. The top button controls the USB or Bluetooth functionality. And finishing up on the right side, we have a headphone control dial, a mic to channel 1, a headphone out indication lights, and a main mix dial. And I forgot to mention about the reverb dial. It's labeled as echo effect. So, conclusion. Do I like the Pyle PAD33MXUBT? Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like how many features they were able to fit into the package for its size and price point. And the fact that it's able to run this microphone without really any preamp hiss coming in, pretty awesome. So, if you have 55 bucks and you want a compact mixer, go for this. It's not bad. See you next week with another video. I did send out for the free microphone. This is what it sounds like. It is the Pyle PAD33MXUBT, which is a $6.40 dynamic microphone with an on-off switch that comes with an XLR cable that terminates out to a 1/4 inch.